Okay, so today we will be using Matlab to see how it graphs this equation right here with D and M being coefficients. And we will see how it works. So here we see how Wolfram alpha graphs sine x plus cosine x, D and M being the coefficient of 1. And so here we could see the different ways it graphs it, and we're gonna try to do the same thing with Matlab and see how we could change things around and how it makes it look, So let's see, working with Matlab. So here we have a code, and we have D equaling -1, our first variable, and M equaling 1. We are making X equal line space 0, 3 times pi, and 100. Line space, what it does is it gives you 100. Here it's giving you 100 different points that it'll plot from X equals 0 all the way to X equals 3 pi. Those are the X values we're using. The equation here is Y equals D times sine M times X plus M times cosine D times X. That's the equation we're using here. And the next line, you see the plot function. We're plotting X and Y, and the R there, it'll make the it'll make the line red, and we have grid on. So if we play this right now, you'll be able to see that's how it would look. But with Matlab, we could do many things to this graph, like including changing the colors, turning the grid on and off, changing the variables, things like that, and we could see the difference. So now we'll try to change the color to, I don't know, maybe black or blue. There we go, blue. So we could do things. We could also make it dotted or turn off the grid. Without the grid, we can make it. So we could also do things like change the variables to different numbers, and it would change how the graph itself would look. Maybe 3 here and make M 2, and we would have, yeah, so it just changes it. And we could see the differences by if we do hold on and we change this to something else and we play it, we would be able to see the differences.